Okay, hi. Let's look some more. Look over by the slide.
This one is the best. I like treasure.
Mm-hmm.
There's an egg. Come grab an egg.
Yay. She found 2 of them. Look.
You see another one? You see another egg? Grab the egg.
Oh, I found another one.
Good job, Allie Bear. What about over, check by the slide some more. Bless you.
Oh, there's a yellow one.
Oh my goodness.
Now, where's that other?
Look over here. Adriana. Adriana,
Look.
come here.
Must be one.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Happy Easter.
You like Easter?
Allie, come over on the other side. Alicia,
Let's finish this first real quick.
come here.
Okay.
Come over here. Look on the ground.
Oh, there's another one.
Good job. You're doing a good job finding your Easter eggs.
Where's that other thing?
Let's see. I think we have them all.
I think we do.
We have them all.
Yay. How many do you have, Allie?
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good
Wow.
job.
Good job.